Slight correction here in the overall crypto markets today. We're seeing meme coins also slightly on the down. It is the summer lull, in my opinion, and we have been very overbought and greedy in the recent weeks and months. So it doesn't really surprise me too much that we have seen a little bit of a pullback, especially for Bitcoin. So in this video, I want to look at 5 meme coins that I'm feeling bullish on at this current moment in time and will be buying more of should they come lower. And I do foresee these doing very well in the next 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 months and leading into sort of early Q1 phase of 2025. So we know that Bitcoin itself doesn't usually do amazing in sort of the summer months. June, July, August, it just seems to be almost a little bit seasonal. You can see a lot of Junes have been bad, more so in the recent years as opposed to in like 2017 and earlier. But you never know, we could still see a good July on the way. So yeah, greedy market still. Meme market is down, it's slipped away about 3.3%, so it's not the worst thing here, it's not the worst crash. You can see a lot of the blue chip meme coins are down a little bit, like Pepe, Dogecoin, Dog with hat. We've got a few coins down, and these are the big volume guys. So these are the coins that are getting the most volume. You can see they are still down a little bit. So this takes me to coin number 1, which is the one and only new Chinese Donald Trump, being Chuan Poo. I am so bullish on this token. They've just paid 3 centralized exchanges with fiat, not tokens, for listings that are coming very soon, and they've already burned, I think, over $100,000 worth of tokens. You can see right here, Chuan Poo, week 1, $10 million market cap achieved. Dev and team sold nothing. Developer just burned 103K worth. Next burn will be at $20 million. It says how to market a meme, rich team and rich dev who cares more about legacy than money. So they want to create an absolutely amazing meme coin. It's all for the people. It's all for the community. And that is just something so special and unique. So this is it. Chinese Donald Trump, Chuan Poo, guys. Twitter link is down below. The contract address is right there. And yeah, you can see it's just Donald Trump holding a glowing green candle right there in his Chinese sort of fashion. Taxes are low, they're 0. We can see here supply is 1 billion. We can see 100% of liquidity is also burnt over it. And you know, this is all just bullish so far. So it's all about just the people. And you can see here, looking at the overall liquidity, 397K. Market cap is $14.8 million. $0.015 on the price tag. And yeah, we called this one quite early. You know, some guys in my Discord got in at like 0.0, I guess, 02. And this green rectangle was the 1618 fib target, and we actually hit the 1.2 target over here. So we can consolidate around this region. We might even see 0.022. So we have more targets for this coin now. We've got another 2 rectangles over here that we can be looking at, which is 0.018 and 0.022. And I think we can get there. Honestly, I think this is a good bit of consolidation. We have seen a pullback, but we've not seen a terrible pullback. We're not getting big whale sales, and we're seeing the overall top wallet holders sort of fizzle out. There's no major single wallet holder for this particular coin, which is, again, very unique. So we could consolidate here, get a breakout to the upside. I am honestly feeling like it could totally happen. 28% movement to the upside, maybe even 56% to the upside in more sort of longer term play. But yeah, could definitely happen, guys. So check this one out down below. Chuan Poo, not financial advice, of course. Meme coins will always be risky, but this is a very hot Solana coin right here. Coin number 2 will be Hoppy. Hoppy is a new one that is also a frog themed coin. So with it being a frog, of course, you've got to think of things like Turbo, you've got to think of things like Pepe, and I like it. I do like it. Contract address, straight up, you can see it there. Already got quite a lot of exchange listings for Hoppy. When you look at the exposure side, MEXC, XT, Open Ocean, LA token, and this one here is resilient. It's not really reacting to the rest of the market that much. It's been a little bit of downside, but overall very nice, from $11 million MC up to 40 million. So this is a lower market cap gem that could potentially also move to that 100 million sort of dollar section as well. Do feel much more bullish on this one here because I am much more in tune with the developers here and what their angle is and what their target is. But Hoppy could still be a good one to look at. 420 billion Hoppy tokens is the max supply, very similar to Pepe with its 420 trillion. But yeah, does look pretty good. Lots of euphoria, big support level over here that you could potentially get into. Obviously, recently you can see it had some mass consolidation here with a big symmetrical triangle and blasted to the upside. So could this be a good potential dip to be getting into? Because you can see the price has come down quite a little bit from these tops here. It's coming down 20%, so maybe it could recoil back to the upside after we see this. You can see that volume has sort of fizzled out slightly. So let's see if this is another good one to potentially get into. Not financial advice, but that is Hoppy down below. If you want to grab it on MEXC, you've got my link for the MEXC buy right down below. Next one would be Turbo, which is the very first meme coin made by artificial intelligence for the people. It's a yellow frog, so another frog. And we can see just looking here, it has come down about, what, 50%? I'm not really sure, but over the last 7 days, it has moved down quite a bit. And with that information, I actually decided to buy a bit more today. I bought another $2,000 worth simply because we're getting closer to one of my DCA targets. It's down 60% from the top. We look at that RSI here on the daily time frame. We can see we're just getting closer to that 41, which is a major buy-in target for me. And also on the 4-hour RSI, for me, you know, just like here, I think it made sense for me to grab some Turbo coins in this dip. So I have indeed bought some more Turbo coins. I'm just checking my MEXC account here because I was just going to show you guys the Turbo. I don't hold a huge amount, but I could just move over here just to sort of show you. So you can see that I do have a bit of Turbo now. I've got $4.2K worth. I had 2,500 worth. So I'm down about $200 overall. It's not too bad. It's not a bad thing. And if this coin comes lower, as in if we see Turbo come down to like 0.0024, I may consider that last buy-in when it does a 75% correction. But if it does 75% correction, I don't know what the real recovery potential would be. So I might not actually wait for a full recovery. I might just sort of trade the dead cat bounce if that does happen. Do remember to sign up to MEXC as well down below if you wish, guys. Link is down there. KSEX link is also down there too. If you don't want a KYC, you've got some options. What next? Coin number 4, Play Doge. $4.62 million raised for this very cool play to earn meme coin. Tamagotchi inspired, driven by 90s nostalgia. Very 8-bit as well, very cool. So in 1 day, 2 hours, the price will go up again. One play token is $0.000509. They raised $4.62 million over here, guys. So very soon they'll break through that $5 million mark. This could be one that has a big launch in the future, especially because play to earn is hot right now. Meme coins are still very, very hot right now. Very cool mobilized game where you can play to earn. You've got the roadmap here of little space invaders shooting away, and you can see the phase 3 and 4 of this particular project does list, or at least hint at, centralized exchange listings. Play Doge tokenomics, 9.4 billion tokens with 50% allocated to the presale over there, ladies and gents. What a beautiful thing. 4,667 followers, constantly pushing. There's a tweet usually going out every day, getting quite a lot of impressions, quite a lot of hype generally. You can see they're celebrating that $4.5 million raise right there, which is very, very special to see. Link down below if you want to research or buy Play Doge. You can buy it with BNB. It is natively a BNB, Binance Smart Chain token. So this could be a real 10x ripper, not financial advice, of course. Next going to be Shiba Inu. I see Shiba go down. You know, you've always got a market as a point of interest. You can see on the year, according to Coin Market Cap, it's starting to look like it's lower than ever. But when you actually look at the charts, that is not the case because we do have this volatility wick right here at 0.000018. If we take out that volatility wick though, you could probably argue, yeah, you know, we're actually looking quite low because you can't see that volatility wick here. This could be also potentially in a better place to maybe dollar cost average into soon. I think if Shiba Inu does get oversold on the RSI, it could be a good place to potentially buy in. But right now, this is a meme coin, slight correction in the market. We're seeing more of a downtrend than anything. Here, if it comes down to 0.17, I'd be very bullish to buy in at a large quantity. So that's about a wrap here, folks. Just thought I would talk about it. Of course, Chuan Poo. We've already announced this one early. I'm very, very bullish on it. I think it could do still a 3, 4, 5, maybe even 10x at this rate for Chuan Poo. Very, very bullish charts. Each time I'm looking, usually the price is kind of going up again and again. So just to recap this video, we had coin number 1, Chuan Poo, the Chinese Donald Trump, and also to mention on the 27th of June there is the Joe Biden and Donald Trump crypto debate, or just general debate. Coin number 2 is Hoppy as well, very high risk, high reward here, guys. Coin number 3 is Turbo Coin. Coin number 4 is Play Doge, new 10x potential meme coin. Coin number 5 is the OG Shiba Inu. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe, like. I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.